Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023. Euler Sortex celebrates its Diamond Jubilee.
Do not enter inside grain silo.
Congratulations to Nextseed Incorporated for its brand new testing lab.
Huge civil construction is going on at Tanveer Dal Mill and Flour Mills Limited site.
Alapala's rank 850th in Turkey's top 1,000 exporters in foreign trade category.
Russia has offered to export wheat to Bangladesh.
We are by your side, Bangladesh, Pran RFL Group.
Bangladesh ranks third in the world in rice production for the fourth consecutive time.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Mill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.